Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, dear students? This is your computer period. First recite dua. Rabbi zidni ilma. Oh my Lord, increase my knowledge. Better open your book, page number 38. We are on page number 38, bete, and this is the continuation of our chapter 4, more about Chuck's Paint. Today our topic is storyboard as a slideshow. Write today's date and day over here. What is a slideshow? A slideshow is a systematic display of selected pictures one by one. What is a slideshow? This is a display. Which display? A systematic display of what? Of selected pictures one by one. To display a storyboard as a slideshow, follow these steps. Number 1. Click the open tool. It displays the list of saved pictures. Figure 4.14. This is a 4.14 and this is the list of saved pictures. Remember, we have made these pictures. Number 2, click the slides button. Number 3, select the pictures you wish to display in a slideshow one by one. Number 4, each picture that you click will be marked by a number. It lets you know the order in which they will be displayed. Figure 4.15. Selected pictures are numbered. This is number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5. Okay. You can click a selected image again to unselect it and remove it from the slideshow. In figure 4.15, if the picture marked as number 4 is clicked, it will be removed from the slideshow and the rest of the pictures will be renumbered. Figure 4.16. See here in this, which is assigned as number 4. This picture is assigned as number 4. Alright. Now here, what we have done, we have removed that picture, so all the other pictures are renumbered. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and the picture number 5 has become picture number 4 automatically. Okay. Here you can see that picture number 5 has now become picture number 4. Click the sliding scale, figure 4.17. This is the sliding scale. Okay. At the bottom left corner of the screen next to the play button, to adjust the speed of the slideshow from slowest to fastest. See, control the speed of a slideshow. This is the play button and these are the steps. This is the slowest step. This is the fastest speed. Okay, these are the speed of presenting the slideshow, right? Choose the leftmost bar to disable automatic advancing of slides. In a slideshow, you will need to press a key or click to go to the next slide. Alright, here it is written, move manually. Number 7, finally click the play button, figure 4.17, this button to begin the slideshow. Number 8, during the slideshow, press the space bar, enter or the right arrow key or click the next button at the bottom left corner to manually advance to the next slide. Figure 4.18, here picture display in a slideshow. This is the play button. Alright. Now there is a top tip. If you do not select any pictures for the slideshow, then all the saved pictures will be displayed in the slideshow, right? Turn the page. Number 9. Click the back button at the bottom right corner to return to the slideshow picture selection screen. Number 10. Click escape to exit the slideshow. Here you can see beta, this is click back to return to the picture you were drawing. Okay. Now, the next topic is Quit tool. Clicking the Quit tool will help you come out of Chuck's Paint. You will first be asked whether you really want to quit. Figure 4.19 here. This is a quit message box. Do you really want to quit? Yes, I am done. No, take me back. If you choose yes, I am done and you have not saved the current picture, you will be asked whether you wish to save it. Figure 4.20 here. Save message box. If you quit, you will lose your picture. Save it. If you say yes, save it, or cross no, don't bother saving. If it is not a new image, you will then be asked whether you want to replace the older version or create a new entry. Figure 4.21. This is replace picture message box. Replace the picture with your changes. Yes. Replace the old one. No. Save a new file. Note, if the image is saved, it will be reloaded automatically the next time you open TuxPaint. Print tool. Click the print tool to print a picture using a printer. The print message box appears on the screen. Figure 4.22. This is a print message box. Pete, print your picture now. Yes, print it, tick, or no, take me back, cross. Click yes, print it. The print dialog box appears on the screen. Make your choices and click OK to print your picture. Turn the page. Now this is computer manners. You can see these two pictures. What difference you can find in these two pictures? In these pictures, window is open and direct sunlight is coming to your computer. And in this picture, the windows are covered and no direct sunlight is coming to printer. So don't expose your computer to direct sunlight. Keep it in a cool, dust-free place. Here you can see this is a cross and this is a tick. Now the tricky terms, stamps. Stamps are like rubber stamps or stickers that can be pasted on the drawing canvas. Muting, turning off the sound effects. Storyboard, a series of pictures that tells a story. Slideshow, systematic display of selected pictures one by one. Now these are the memory bytes. Stamps. Stamps are like rubber stamps or stickers that you can paste in your picture. There are different categories of stamps: animals, plants, outer space, vehicles, people, etc. Stamps can be increased or decreased in size, flipped vertically and or displayed as a mirror image. Some stamps can be colored. When you click the stamp tool, buttons at the lower left corner of the screen allow you to replay the sound effects. You can disable or enable sounds by pressing Alt+S. Storyboards and slideshows. The slides button is used to display the storyboard. When you select pictures for a slideshow, they are marked by numbers that let you know the order in which they will be displayed. You can unselect a picture from a slideshow by clicking it again. The pictures will then get renumbered. Come to the next page. The sliding scale at the bottom left corner of the screen next to the play button can be used to adjust the speed of the slideshow. The play button is used to begin the slideshow. Quit tool. This tool is used to quit TuxPaint. If a picture is not saved, it asks you to save the picture and whether to replace the old one or create a new entry. Print tool. This tool is used to print a picture in TuxPaint. If you click yes, print it, a print dialog box appears. Select the printer, the number of copies and click print. So beta, with this we have finished our chapter number 4 about the TuxPaint. I hope you enjoyed the topic. Read the chapter again. Take care of yourself. Jazakallahu khairan kaseera. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.